Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and time to do a Facebook Live, right? Okay, it's Tuesday and it's earlier than I'm used to doing this, but I wanted to go live and show you guys a Trello board I created yesterday to keep track of some potential collaborative stuff that I'm doing. I just finished an amazing 5-day challenge with a gentleman online named JVology, who, if you have not ever seen any of his stuff, he is probably one of the most generous, funny, laid back, great guys I've ever seen online. And I heard his name like almost 2 months ago from Jane Powers and in her challenge, and didn't have a chance at the time to look him up. I had way too much going on, and I'm so glad that, as everything, it's RJ's fault. Uh, I've started saying it's RJ's fault for everything, because RJ Redden, I love you, my dear, because somehow you attract the most amazing connections on the planet. And I bow to you, Sensei. I bow to you. That you have connected me with the most amazing people, and not even, just by being you. God, anyway, I'm going to go all fangirl on RJ, but she knows it. So, Jay is one that, I got an email from RJ, says, hey, my friend Jay is doing this 5-day challenge. You should do it. And I'm like, let's do it. Why not? Oh my God, mind-blowing. Mind-blowing challenge. Probably some of the best connections I've ever met online. And this was at the online challenge. They actually have a 3-day live event where you meet 100 to 150 people live in person, face to face, and do what we just did in 5 days virtually in 3 days with more people face to face. Trying to figure out how to save the pennies so I can go to Calgary in September. If you want more information about it, though, let me know. I'll do what I can to find some information to put under this video. If not, send me a private message. I will get you the information about that event, because if this 5-day online challenge blew my mind, the in-person 3-day has got to be phenomenal. It's just, I'm not sure if the brain probably won't stay in the head because of it. It just can't. So let me show you guys really quick what happened after I did that challenge, and what I created because of it. So let me switch to there and tell Indigo she can take off for the moment. This is the Trello board, a template I created, which I'll put in the comments below here. It may be a little hard to read. It may be a little blurry, simply because of how big the screen is, how little the screen is from your side, and how, just how Ecamm does that. But so, just looking at this from the perspective of what the pieces and parts are. And if you don't know how to use Trello boards, then I'm going to put a link below on how you can make a 20-minute appointment with me and I'll be happy to help you with that. That link is right here. It's bookme.name/Stacy Brioka, and you can make a 20-minute appointment with me, and I can show you how to get this board copied, or any of the other public boards that I have, where you can copy that and use it, and we can help adapt it to what you want to do. So that is actually in this board, so you can make an appointment with me. This next card tells how you copy it, but I'm going to show you right now is you go to the show menu over on the right side in the upper corner. Then you go to, it won't have that open. Okay, Let me try this again. Show menu. You go to more, and then you go to copy board, and then you're going to put the name of the new board in the space that comes up there. You're going to tell it to keep the cards, and you're going to click create. It's going to create an exact duplicate of this board. It's going to keep all the cards, but then you're going to be able to make magic with this board yourself. So then there's handouts from the JVology, there's text messages, blurbs to send, and there's a JV Maker Matrix. Then there's checklists that I created that are preparing yourself for do partner, positive collaborations, rules checklist, planning checklist, agreements checklist, everything that you might want to do with a particular partner, because you can copy those over into your cards for each individual JV person, and you make a card for each person. I'm not going to go through all of these little points and such because I'm going to briefly show you guys my board, and you can see these are all appointments I have scheduled with people that I met through this challenge. Oh my God. And in each one, it has the information about their meeting time. I made a due date for that card. It's just flipping amazing what, the people in this challenge. So, if you want a copy of the board, let me know, or feel free to use the link and copy the board over so that you can, reuse this same one. I put the graphic behind it from Jay's JVology challenge because obviously, I wanted to give him superstar cred there. But it may be a little bit hard to read for you or to navigate with that behind there. So you might want to change the background, and you can just go to the menu and hit change background, and it'll give you all sorts of other things. You can just do it plain color or other photos, and you can change the background of the board after you've copied it. Again, if you need help setting, or you have an idea of how you want to set a Trello board up, but you kind of want some help with it, I'll put the link below to do bookme.name/Stacy Bryuka, and you can make an appointment with me. I'm more than happy to kind of help get you navigated in the right direction on that, because Trello boards are life and productivity, and you can get a ton more done if you have all of your information in one space like that. If you are interested in that or other super duper uber automation tips, you can just go to my messenger and start a conversation with me, and I'll get you hooked up on my email list or my messenger list to get automation tips from me. And if this was helpful, I'd love it if you put something in the comments saying what you're going to do with a Trello board or what you have done with a Trello board. And I'll see you next time I'm on. Matter of fact, let me know what you want me to talk about next time. I'm making a list of ideas. So have a great one, everybody. If I can find my mouse, I will be ending this video soon. So, anyway, put your ideas down below. Tell me what tech things you are frustrated with or need help with. I'll see you later.